Hey guys, welcome to the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. My name is Bobby and I'm going to be your presenter this evening. There's a couple things I want to show you. We'll make this short and sweet. But if I want to draw your attention to this video on the right, this is the compensation plan video that the company put out. Okay, it's about the even up system that All-in-One Profits uses. This system, when I first saw it, it blew me away, and one of the main reasons why I got involved with All-in-One Profits. Besides the 6 years of paying on time, and the fact that they're one of the few companies that actually gives more value than what they charge to the members. This compensation plan is what really put it over the top for me. And it's with that in mind that we created the Rotator Club. Okay, guys, you have to watch that video. Okay, but I'm going to explain it in 2 minutes, but still I want you to watch the video. Okay, the way it works is the first person you refer, you keep. The second person you refer goes up to your sponsor. The third person you refer, you keep. The fourth person goes to your sponsor, and so on. Okay, infinitely wide, infinitely deep. Okay, very simple. But the power of that is, there's a few things about that. First of all, once you get like 10 people in your downline passing up every other referral to you, it gets pretty exciting, guys. But not only that, this is the only company that I found online that you don't get penalized at all for recruiting for your downline. Think about that for a minute, guys. Okay, recruiting for yourself, you get to keep 50% of your effort. If you recruit for your downline, you still get to keep 50%, and then you get something even more important happens, guys, than getting the 50% pass up to you. You get retention. Okay, it helps with your retention. If you're a type of person that can go out and refer 10 people a month, okay, that doesn't mean that those 10 people can do the same thing. So what happens is, and I mean, that's the problem with every MLM, home-based business, internet business. That's one of the main problems with all of them. Okay, people don't stick around because they can't recruit. But this system here, what we put together here is going to help you recruit for them. It's going to help everybody do better in their business. And it's going to help with retention. Okay, we'll put it like that. We'll leave it at that. Okay, let me show you how this works. Below these two videos, this is the video you're watching now. This is the compensation plan video. Like I said, it's a must watch. Below that, you're going to see a banner for All-in-One Profits and a sign up here button. Okay, you press the sign up here button. It takes you right to All-in-One Profits. Click the join link. And you'll see a name here. Okay, you'll notice that's not my name. Doesn't matter. Let's do it again just for illustration purposes. Click sign up here. It takes you right to All-in-One Profits. Click join. Now you see a different name there. Okay, these are people that signed up under me recently and are in my rotator. What I've done is I've taken the rotator link from the back office of All-in-One Profits and hard coded it into the Rotator Club website. So all you have to do after you join, you come back here, enter your username here, and press save. Okay, you're not entering the whole link, just your username, press save, and you've just branded the Rotator Club website to you. Okay, so anyone you show this to now who's signing up on your page, right, will be signing up to somebody in your rotator. Now let me show you how to set up the rotator real quick, guys. This is exciting, guys. This is already working. Okay, now I'm in my back office of All-in-One Profits now. When you first join All-in-One Profits, there's a couple things you got to do. The first one is you want to go to the members home, okay, and fill out your details. I'm not going to click it because my personal details are in there. You're going to put your address. You're going to choose which wallet you want to use. Stuff like that, okay? Takes a couple minutes. Right when you're done with that, you want to go to the referrals tab, press promote. Okay, when you press promote, you're going to see on the top of the page your referral link. It's right here. Okay, you want to copy that link, right? Copy that link. Then you want to go to Toolbox. You want to press Rotator. And you're going to see a spot at the bottom of the rotator. You're just joined, so your rotator is going to be empty. But you want to paste your link right here and press add URL and add yourself to the rotator. Okay? So now you're the only one in the rotator. Then, of course, you want to put your username here and press save. Now you're done. Now you start promoting, and you're going to get the first sign up to your rotator. When you get the first sign up, you paste that person in the rotator with you. And then you just keep promoting. Okay? And as you go along, each person's going to pass people up to you. I recommend doing that till you got about 10 or 12 people in the rotator. Then you can even take your link out. My link's not even in my rotator anymore. I just promote for my downline now because I want to make sure they all get sign-ups. And that's the way this works, guys. Again, we have a Facebook group. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the Facebook group. Don't forget to join. Below these two videos, there's a link for Payza. If you don't have an e-wallet, join Payza through this link. Okay, Payza has an affiliate program. A lot of people don't even know that. And you just bring your user ID back from Payza, paste it in the same way, press save, and anyone who signs up in Payza will be signed up under you too. All right, guys, I got a lot to show you. A lot more to show you, so make sure you get in the Facebook group, okay? Subscribe to me on YouTube. You get all my videos. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. I'll see you on Facebook. Thanks, guys. See you soon.